Right, in this video we're going to solve the quadratic inequality of x squared minus 3x minus 4 is greater than 0. So first we're going to sketch the graph of y is equal to x squared minus 3x minus 4. So for the x-axis, y is equal to 0. So we've got x squared minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. To solve that we need to factorise it. One way to factorise it is to say the product is 1 times minus 4, which is minus 4. And the sum is the middle term, which is minus 3. And then we want two numbers. When we multiply them together, we get minus 4. And we add the same two numbers, we get minus 3. And so our answer is going to be minus 4 and 1. Let's just check that. Minus 4 times 1 gives minus 4. And minus 4 plus 1 gives minus 3. Then we take the quadratic and we split the middle term up into minus 4x plus x. These two can be any way round. Minus 4 is equal to 0. And then we group those two together. The common factor here is x. And we're left with x minus 4. Bring down the plus sign. Group the next two together. X and minus 4. There is no real common factor, so we put 1 brackets x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we have x minus 4 as a common factor. That could come out, and you're left with x plus 1 is equal to 0. So that's going to give that x is equal to 4, because that's what makes that 0, or x is equal to minus 1, that's what that makes that to 0. Draw yourself a set of axes, so marking on minus 1 and 4. And then we need to find where the y-axis, x is equal to 0. We've got 0 squared plus 4 times 0 minus 4. So y is equal to minus 4. So we'll mark on that point on our graph. So again, it's going to be a curve looking like that. So it must be symmetrical. Halfway between minus 4 and 4 will be the lowest point. It's only a sketch. It's not an accurate plot. So make it just look something right. Sometimes it's better to turn the paper upside down and you draw it as an N, resting your wrist on the graph, on the paper. So label it at one side x squared minus 3x minus 4. We are solving x squared minus 3x minus 4 is greater than 0. So we want to know where it is positive. So we'll shade the unwanted region, the positive. The unwanted region is where it's negative. Where is it positive? Well, it's positive here and here. So that will be less than minus 1 and greater than 4. These circles are not filled in, they're just on top of the dot. And therefore the inequality solution will be x is less than minus 1 or x is greater than 4. Now remember, in this case, because they're separated, you cannot join up the inequality, so you need to put in the word or there. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to solve a quadratic inequality. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.